Hello everyone, welcome to the today's webinar on .NET Multi-Platform App UI. Myself Meghana Patil, a software developer at Werq Labs, and with me is my colleague Mr. Sunny Kumar.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar on .NET Multi-Platform App UI. I'm Sunny Kumar, a software developer at Werq Labs. So let's begin with the topic that is .NET Multi-Platform App UI. So let's begin with the introduction. So the .NET Multi-Platform App UI is a brand new framework from Microsoft for building beautiful native and performing cross-platform desktop and mobile apps for iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. You can do this all from a shared single code base. The best part of that, there's a great tooling in Visual Studio to make super productive right from the beginning. Let's understand. Let's understand its integration in the .NET. Integration is like making uh, for an example, integration is like making a cake with different ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and we mix with them to create something delicious. Similarly, in .NET multi-platform UI, we bring together different parts like the user interface, data, and services to create our app. While preparing something or integrating something, we get some difficulties. That is challenges in integration. So sometimes integrating things can be tricky, just like trying to fit some puzzle pieces together. We might face issues like making the sure everything works on different devices or figuring out how to connect with other software. To make integration smoother, we follow some best practices. It's like having a recipe when baking. We organize our code neatly, use libraries that play well with others, and test things thoroughly to catch any issues early on. So, uh, this was the basic intro of .NET Multi-Platform UI. Now, let's further uses will be carried on by Meghna. It's over to you.
So let's understand how we can use the .NET cross-platform application user interface. So besides the creating user interface, you will have all your business logic shared, such as models, view, RESTful service calls, database, and so much more. .NET multi-platform application interface, user interface, introduce a whole bunch of platform that have been abstracted into a common surface to you for your code. This means common things such as connectivity, geolocation, sensors, SMS, emails, flashlight, phone dialer, secure settings, screen lock, and so much more available in common APIs. So you can access all the native APIs completely in C#. You can also build a native cross-platform user interface directly in XML, which is XML-based markup language. It has nice features like data binding completely in C#. It is flexible that enables you to build this UI in many ways. That's how you can use .NET multi-platform application user interface. So that's it for the users. So does anyone have any doubt? Please let me know in comment section. So I think it seems no doubts. So let's proceed further. Over to you, Sanikumar.
Thanks, Meghna. So let's proceed with the further topic that is the advantages of .NET multi-platform app UI. So for first of all, the first advantage is single code base. You can write your app's code once and use it across different platforms, which saves time and effort. That is, it's cross-platform. Second, it's native performance. .NET MAUI apps can leverage native performance of platform capabilities, ensuring high performance and a smooth user experience. Next is unified development experience. Developers can use familiar tools and languages like C Sharp and XML to build apps for various platforms, reducing the learning curve. And second is UI customization. .NET MAUI provides flexible UI customization options, allowing developers to create visually appealing the platform-specific interfaces. And next is ecosystem integration. It integrates well with other Microsoft technologies and such as Azure and Visual Studio, enhancing productivity and scalability. These advantages are provided by the provided under the platform of Microsoft. So that's it for the advantages. So does anyone have doubt? Please let me know in the comment section.
So Athera is asking a question. What is the full form of MAUI? So full form of MAUI is a multi-platform application user interface.
Yes, correct, Meghna. Yeah, it seems we have cleared this doubt. So let's proceed to the next further topic. Over to you, Meghna.
Thank you, Sunny. While it has so many advantages, it also has some limitations. It has platform specific features, means it aims to provide a combined development experience across a multiple platforms. There may still be cases where developers needs to implement platform specific features. .NET multi-platform application user interface provides mechanism for accessing built-in APIs. It may not cover every platform specific requirement. So, and it also has limited platform support. It supports major platforms like iOS, Android, Windows, but it may not support every platform or device configuration. These limitations could affect the reach of application developed using .NET MAUI. And it also has dependency on Xamarin, which means it inherits some of its limitations and dependencies. It also has dependency on updates, like multi-platform app UI functionality and performance may depend on timely updates and improvements from Microsoft, which could introduce compatibility issues or delays. Cross-platform framework sometimes consumes more system resource compared to native development, and it impacts the performance on the resource devices. The size of runtime. It also affects the size, means applications may have larger runtime size compared to fully native applications, as they need to include the .NET runtime along with application package. It could be a concern, especially for mobile applications. So, as the framework evolves and matures, many of these limitations may be eliminated over the time. So that's it for the limitations of MAUI. So let's see. Anyone have any question? Mm, So, which language is used to design UI in .NET MAUI? So, XML language is used to design a UI in .NET, UI in MAUI. So, that's over to you, Sunny Kumar.
Just wait a second. Here, just a random channel is asking a question. Can you explain the key features of .NET MUI? The one of the most preferred key feature of .NET MUI is it is cross-platform. Like we can just write a single block of code and it will perform in every operating system. That is cross-platform. So yes, let's proceed with the next topic, further topic. What will be the future scope of .NET MAUI? So proceed with the future scope. The future of the .NET multi-platform app UI looks promising as it continues to evolve and improve the cross-platform app development experience. Here are some aspects that contribute to its promising future. Firstly, continued development. Microsoft has demonstrated a commitment to the ongoing development of .NET MAUI with regular updates and improvements. This ensures that the framework remains relevant and competitive in the rapidly evolving landscape of the development. Second one is community adoption. As more developers ad- as more developers adopt .NET multi-platform UI, the community around the framework will absolutely grow. This community supports can lead to the creation of additional resources such as libraries, tools, and tutorials, which make it easier for developers to build high-quality apps with .NET multi-platform UI. Third one is the integration with .NET ecosystem. So, in .NET, for .NET multi-platform UI, it is tightly integrated with the broader .NET ecosystem, which includes popular tools like Visual Studio and languages like C Sharp. This integration simplifies the development workflows and allows developers to leverage existing skills and resources. Next one is platform support. .NET multi-platform UI supports major platforms like earlier I said, it is cross-platform. It supports like Android, iOS, and Windows, and there are plans to expand support to other platforms in the future. This attra- this uh, 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 First of all, the .NET MUI making it an attractive option for all developers targeting multiple devices and operating systems. The next one is performance improvements. Microsoft is continuously working on improving the performance of .NET MAUI apps, ensuring that they deliver smooth and responsive user experience. Performance improvements can include optimizations for startup time, memory usage, and rendering performance. The last one is future enhancements. Future releases of .NET MUI are likely to introduce a new features and capabilities, further enhancing the framework's functionality. The enhancements may include improvements to the UI toolkit, additional platform-specific APIs, and support for emerging technologies. Overall, the future of the future of .NET MAUI looks bright, with ongoing development, community support, and integration with the broader .NET ecosystem, driving its growth and adoption. As the framework matures, it is expected to become an increasingly popular choice for the cross-platform app development. Uh, this was the whole overview for the future scope of .NET multi-platform UI. So, is there any questions for regarding? Please let me know in the comment section.
So Harish Khan asked the question is what is the difference between XML and XAML? So XML is a versatile markup language used for storing and transporting data. And XML is an extensible application markup language. It is used for designing user interface in software application. Thank you, Harish. So
So,
I think
over to you, Meghna. Over to you, Meghna. Please explain the further topic, tools and techniques.
so. Let's understand which tools we can use to build cross-platform applications. So first is a Visual Studio. It is a primary development environment for .NET multi-platform app UI. It provides a user-friendly interface for writing, debugging, and testing the code. We use C# language to write the logic of their application, and XML is a markup language used for design user interface in multi-platform app UI. It allows developers to define the structure and the appearance of the app in a declarative manner. This design pattern commonly used for apps to separate the model view model. It is a design pattern commonly used for apps to separate the UI logic from the application logic. It helps keep code organized and maintained. .NET libraries and APIs. .NET Multi-Platform App UI provides access to wide range of libraries and APIs for common tasks such as networking, data storage, and user interface controls. Developers can attach these libraries to streamline development and functionality to their apps. It also has a feature like hot reload. It allows developers to make changes to their app code or UI and see the results immediately without having to restart the app. This speeds up their development process and makes it easier to make changes in their application design. So, by using these tools and techniques, developers can efficiently build a cross-platform application with .NET Multi-Platform App UI. And that's it for the tools and techniques. Does
So,
anyone have any question?
yes, Pushpa Kadam has asked one question. Tell me some real-time examples in which we can use .NET multi-platform UI. So basically, we can use the .NET multi-platform UI in various real-time scenarios across different industries. So first of all, let us consider as the enterprise applications. .NET multi-platform here can be used to develop enterprise applications such as customer relationship, that is CRM systems, project management tools, inventory management systems, and internal communication platforms. These applications often need to run seamlessly across different devices and platforms, making the .NET MA UI a suitable choice for development. Second industry, it is e-commerce for sure. E-commerce applications. With the increasing popularity of mobile shopping, e-commerce companies can leverage .NET multi-platform UI to build cross-platform mobile applications that provide a consistent shopping experience across iOS, Android, and Windows devices. These applications can include features such as product catalogs, user authentication, shopping carts, and secure payment gateways. So next two real case scenarios will be explained by Meghna. Over to you, Meghna.
We can use .NET MAUI to develop a mobile and desktop applications for healthcare to develop the healthcare applications like EHR management system, telemedicine consultation, patient monitoring, and also we can use in to develop online banking, mobile payment, investment management, and budget tracking. These applications can provide also security features, seamless integration. That's it. Thank you. Over to you, Sunny.
So uh, as Meghna said, it is useful in healthcare industries, financial industries. So similarly, it is also very much useful in educational and e-learning platforms. Educational institutions and e-learning companies can develop mobile and desktop applications using .NET multi-platform UI to deliver interactive learning experiences, online courses, virtual classrooms, and educational games. .NET MAUI supports a rich multimedia content, animations, and responsive layouts, makes it well suited for educational applications. Whereas uh, it also used in travel and hospitality agents applications like traveling agencies, airlines, hotels, and booking platforms can create cross-platform applications with .NET multi-platform UI to offer services such as flight reservations, hotel bookings, itinerary management, and travel guides. These applications can provide real-time updates, personalized recommendations, and location-based services to enhance the travel experience for users. Uh, that's for the real-time scenarios. Uh, Now it's that's for the real-time scenarios. So, so thank you for all joining today's webinar. I hope you found the information valuable and that will help you in your project. Special thanks to my colleague Miss Meghna Patil for her contributions.
Thank you everyone for connecting with us. If you find the information valuable, please do like, share, and subscribe Werq Labs on every social media platform. Thank you once again. Have a great day.